Hello and welcome to episode 27 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We are going over our latest updates for what we got going on now. They finished the shiplap. They're still boxing out a couple of these spots up here, but it's really starting to come together. I love this look. We have been doing a lot of painting to save money. I think this is where we're going to make an exception, is this ceiling. I hope. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. But anyway, I love how this is looking, and I think it's going to turn out really great. There's the future kitchen. We have all of the cabinets. My husband ordered them from thertastore.com, and he has been assembling them and putting them together. So those are the cabinets that will go into the kitchen. Those are also the cabinets that are going into the laundry room. So that's what you'll see here. That's part of the, or that's from the rtastore.com. And so there's one. He's going to put together another one right there. So we'll have two cabinets right there with the cabinets above. I think eventually we're going to put a backsplash on there, but that's for a later project. On this side of the laundry room, there's a cabinet up top. There will be the washer and the dryer. And above the dryer, we're going to have like a hanging pole. So whenever I've got shirts or pants or anything like that that need to air dry, hang, we'll put them up there. That'll be fantastic instead of putting them in doorways, which I've been doing for the past, I don't know how many years of my life. Okay, we're gonna go over here. This is a closet that I just painted today. You can see some of the streak marks. It has not dried all the way. And I painted a little swatch of the color that will be in here. It's kind of like a light teal. It's gonna be pretty. Might be a little overwhelming. If you're wondering why all of the doors are standing up like this all over the place, it's because David painted, not spray painted, I just wanna be clear, not spray painted, but he has a paint sprayer and he sprayed these doors. I love these doors. They're very, very pretty. And that's a pocket door. Is that a pocket door? Yes, it's a pocket door. So walking over here into the master, oh, there's a pocket door here for the laundry room. Very nice. It just disappears magically. All right, going in here, I also got this walk-in closet painted white. We're just sticking with white for the closets right now because they don't really need to be all that pretty. Again, the rtastore.com is where we are having, actually, they just came in last week, all of the shelves and everything for our closet. You can do your own design and everything, and they get back. It's pretty cool the way that they do it. So we've been pretty happy with what we've gotten so far. And then in the master bath, our next project is to get a toilet in here, but we have to paint. And we're gonna do that same gray color that's down in the basement and the kitchen and the rec area and everything. So that's what we have going on for now, because 4 of us have been sharing one bathroom for 6 months now. It's fun. It's really fun. So anyway, that's all we have going on, and we'll take a peek at the lot next door since we've had fabulous weather. It's a muddy mess over there, but they did get some stuff poured last week. So anyway, stay tuned for next time, and we'll see you then.